Hello everybody. Got some birds in the air. Just put this year's young bird team up that I've ended up with. Got 11. Look at that. 11 in the kit. The last red bar, yellow bar, red bar, don't know. That's in there with them. Didn't really want to fly last time I let it out. Landed soon after letting it out, but today it stayed up there with the kit. Seems to be going well. That's probably that back one there, look. Oh, what's happened there? Something happened then, didn't it? There's that one, look. Hopefully that'll catch the kit up, look. Come on. Sure, it's not in there with the kit because it's not been flying. It's not got the same fitness level as them others. But it will do, that'll catch up. There you go, it's in there. Couple more days training with the kit, that'll be alright. You want all at the same fitness level. Hence they all get fed the same in the boxes. The rain's just stopped. I absolutely tipped it down a little while ago. But yeah, so far so good. Look at that. I'll just have these out as dark by about 8 o'clock. It's now 20 to 7. Crikey. Right, I've now got to pop out for half an hour. And then I'll get back. See how these are flying. And hopefully drop them to the lights. I might just drop them before the lights come on, really. Before it get too dark, otherwise the babies that haven't been out before won't know where to land. And hopefully by the time I come back in half an hour, that'll be 11 flying still. And that a little yellow bar will be still with them. The rain's really done the grass the world of good. Look at that, it's never been as long. Okay. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.